Good evening once more. So this is woodprofits.com. I know it's about investment, but I'm not sure too much more about it. But we've got ClickBank, Trust is secure. So if you're not happy after purchase, 60-day refunds. Who knows a wee bit about marketing? This guy, shocker and red, thinking what's happened. All right, so investment, but not in terms of stock and shares. So how to launch your own woodworking business for under $1,000 and make 6 figures. So this is what this guy does. So Mr. Morgan, Jim Morgan. So it's great to think, oh, how we do it, or that sort of thing. So he's got discover the step-by-step guide to launching your own woodworking business from home with minimal capital. So he's got that in red, so I think we'll pay attention. It separates the men from the boys in the sense we're looking at white, black text, but the red. Colours do play a part in our understanding and paying attention. So it's the old marketing one that works, dirty little secret. It just gets a attention, dirty why I shouldn't be watching this little secret, something that is powerful but it's small. So was a bit marketing this guy, and then the red, he understands that that's what makes us pay attention. So I have confession to make, we're thinking, oh, it's done something wrong. And then that's quite clever, that one. So easy to start business, work from home, so I want that these days. And how he started with Profits. It's been around for a while. I've heard of it before. Don't know if there's a video to it, but we've got the reviews from people who've started it via Facebook. So he obviously runs Facebook ads, you would think. I don't think has got a video. That's disappointing. I think he really should have won, but he's got the good product images, the text, so that makes us our brain in line kind of thing. Ever you need to get started, and it comes in downloadable. Shows how old it is. MP3 is it's nothing you hear of these days, but yeah, it'd be good if it was like a video as well. But yeah, it seems quite a good business to start, so why not? One-off payment, $37, backed by ClickBank, so you could try it. Suppose you will if you've been searching for a review on this one. But if you want a business that's really special, take a look inside as well, and we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.